Welcome back to Bedi Properties and Constructions. Building your own dream house is the biggest investment that you can ever make in your life. But unfortunately, many people lose millions of naira because of simple mistake they could have been avoided. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the mistake is all about and how to avoid them at all costs. But please, I want you to watch this video till the end because the last one is going to surprise you. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity and the shortest way to have your dream house in Nigeria. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Number one, buy land without proper verifications. This is the wrong step that a lot of people are taking. Some people will just buy land with a verbal communication or without the proper documentation. So this is going to affect you if you're such a person. You need to verify the document that you buy land with, because if you make mistake from buy land, honestly, by the time you build your house and such a land is under litigation or family dispute, you are going to regret it. Or the most important thing is under government acquisition, the government is coming to demolish your house. So you need to do the right thing from the beginnings of the house. Number two, using the wrong foundation for the soil type. Not all foundations is suitable for the all locations. You need to know the different soil type. Waterlogged area is different from the swamping area. Swamping area is different from the sanding area. Sanding area is different from the dry ground. All these things you need to know. That is why we have a different type of foundation, and you must make use of it accordingly. If you want that house not to have a corrosions, deflections or cracking, you need to do the right thing from the foundation, because your foundation is going to determine the lifespan of your house. Because by the time you make a wrong foundations, honestly, you will never get it right, whatever any amount you spend on that particular project. Number three, using cheap building material. A lot of people focus on saving their money rather than to buy a standard material, and this can affect your structures by the time you have your own house. So you need to do the right thing, avoiding buy cheap cement, weak tie rod, low quality block and fake roofing sheets. All these things may affect your structures along the line. So you need to buy a standard material, not substandard material. The substandard material will never help you, because the only substandard materials are the one that is very cheap on market. So you need to invest in this your dream home. Look for the good material that can serve you better. Number four, rushing the construction process. Many people want to finish the project as quick as possible, and concrete need enough time to strengthen and to cure, and without giving this chance, honestly, it's going to affect your building. Construction foundations work, column, slab, or block work can reduce the weakness of these entire structures and create a long-term problem that may hardly for you to rectify. So you need to do the right thing right from the beginning of the project, because if you refuse to do this, it will affect you. By the time you have your own house, we see a house that they just built like a year, it will look like a house that they don't build more than 10 years ago. So this is deteriorations we are talking about. If you want to achieve your dream home, you don't need to rush the construction work, because it's going to affect your building along the line. You have to get these things very, very important, because all the concrete and others material use, it needs to cure and also to gain strength in order to get more power. That's what I'm trying to say. Number five, and the last one, constantly changing the building design. This can affect your structures. You need to know these things. It's very important. If you want to build any house, I'm expecting you to have your design and even 3D elevations, to have everything intact with a budget before you go ahead. But by starting construct your building and change the pattern along the line, is going to cost a lot of money and also delay the work. And the most important thing is we affect the structure by the time you have your own house. So you need to be careful for this. prepare ready, before you go ahead to start the constructions, because by the time you starting, ensure that you follow it due to the specifications and the bill of quantities. So but by the time you change something there, it's going to affect that structure seriously. A lot of people are making big mistake in this aspect, but as far you hear what I'm trying to say today, I believe that if you want to build your house, you will make a correction. Don't build house because others are building. Build house because of tomorrow, because property that you are seeing today is a long-term investment. It is something that your unborn generations will come and benefit, so you need to do it well. I hope you gain something in this video. If it is, please don't forget to follow me for more tips. And if you want to buy a land in a lucrative environment, or you want to design any type of house, or you need a 3D elevations, you can simply contact me. I'm going to provide all these things for you with the cheap price. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.